Alright, we got our head here. We made adjustments on the mouth so the mouth will open and close properly. So what we're going to do now, since we got it all sanded down, we're going to put our stick in. We got our stick here, which is 8 inches long. It's an 1¼ inch stick. So we're going to glue this in. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you.
It was affecting me when I walked, which is a kind of common activity.
Dean's chronic back pain had become a pain in the you-know-what.
At first, I just sort of ignored it, but eventually, everything catches up to you.
Physically and mentally.
Back pain affects your mood. It really does.
But that's not the only connection Dean made.
A friend of mine suggested I go to the good feet store.
So we'll set this aside, let it dry for a little bit.
When I need a foot store, my feet are fine.
But he thought, what the heck? He had nothing to lose.
Made impression.
And then we're going to drill our hole up in here for our string. So we'll set this aside, let that set up, then we'll come back. Thanks for watching.